And when Elisha was coming to the house, behold, the child was dead and laid upon his bed. He went in therefore and set the door upon them twain, them two, and prayed unto the Most High. And he went up and lay upon the child and put his mouth upon his mouth, like blowing into his mouth, and his eyes upon his eyes, and his hands upon his hands. And he stretched himself upon the child, and the flesh of the child waxed warm. Then he returned and walked in the house to and fro, and went up and stretched himself upon him. And the child sneezed 7 times, and the child opened his eyes.